Mason, look right behind you. Jazzy's following you. Hey, Juicy, come on. Jazzy, come on. Juicy, Jazzy. Juicy, Jazzy. Guys, we'll be on the road, so just the police training. Juicy, Jazzy, come on. Juicy and Jazzy. Juicy. Jazzy. Come on, girl. Juicy. Juicy. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Hey, buddies. Matt. Come on. Juicy and Jazzy, come on. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Juicy. Jazzy. Juicy. 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 Juicy and Jazzy, come here. Juicy. Juicy and Jazzy, come on. Jazzy, tag. Juicy, tag. Juicy. Tag. Whoa. I slipped. You see me slip, I went, ooh. Tag. Oh, you tagged me back. I literally slipped a little bit. They're cute dogs.
They're friendly.
Yeah. They won't
A lot
bite
of
you.
people overreact about pit bulls and they say, "Oh, let's get away from it."
But they're cute.
Yeah, they're really nice. Like pit bulls are really nice.
Mitch said they might nibble, but they won't bite though.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like people will say, "Oh, when they bite, they won't let it go and it hurts so much even their puppy." That's a lie.
Look, they left footmarks.
Aw.
They're just your cute, friendly neighborhood dogs.
Juicy, Jazzy.
Juicy and Jazzy, come here. Oh, they like playing.
Go ahead and drive.
Yeah. Well, they usually drink out their milk puddle right there. Uh-oh.
Oh, they're over there.
Uh-oh. She's strong, girl. Woo! Oh. I did it, Oh.
Oh, hey, buddy, you can get up here. You can go.
Oh.
You can come up here.
But I think Juicy would be jealous. She's a big girl. Go, Juicy. Okay.
Switch your run.
So they can listen to you.
Oh, hey, look.
What? Uh-oh. Pit bull versus something. No. Uh-oh.
No, he's just walking over. They won't hurt him.
Pit bull versus something.
Oh, I think that's a terrier and beagle mix.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I think Jazzy's going to be stronger because she's mixed with a German Shepherd. That's what she has that like head like that. So look, you see how she has a head like that?
They just want to play. They won't hurt her.
You see how she has that head like that? That's the German Shepherd head.
Yeah.
Juicy and Jazzy.
See, they aren't going to hurt.
Juicy and Jazzy, come here.
Juicy.
Uh-oh, that's bad. Because they usually run off over there.
Yeah, they aren't going to hurt him.
Would they know to come back? Jazzy! Okay, here they come. Jazzy, right here, girl. Hey, buddy. Jazzy.
Jazzy.
sip.
I think this is Jazzy right here.
No, that's Juicy. Juicy.
Juicy. Get this. Jazzy!
But camera girl. If I put some water on my camera, she'd be looking.
I bet they've had them for 2 months.
Don't drop that.
I'm so sorry. No, Meerkat's been gone for 4 to 5 years.
Really?
Yeah. But you know, he probably moved on. You know, he's okay. He'll come back.
After he's been gone for 2 years.
It's been 5.
Really?
Oh well, it could have been but he's okay though. You know,
He's probably dead.
he came back.
Really? He came back once. I don't know how he ran away.
One time he came back and I cried.
Me too. I said, is that mirror? Spider! There's a spider on you!
Where?
Right there! Look! Oh,
Oh, this is a regular garden spider.
that's a jumping spider.
Yeah, they won't hurt you. This is a jumping spider.
There's a jumping spider on him.
A jumping spider won't hurt you.
What, did they bite? Jazzy the hero.
Not usually, but they'll probably bite if you pick them up or something like that.
He's just probably crawling.
Ooh,
But
touched him. He won't hurt me the way.
Nene has those. They're like that big.
Yeah, they're not too big.
Oh, we have a new friend, the spider. No.
That's a jumping spider.
Yeah, because you can tell it's jumping spider because it's gray and black.
Are you gonna hurt me? Hey, look, there's a spider. Don't kill him. I mean, don't kill him.
Where is he?
That'd be mean. Don't kill him.
He's right there.
He's right here. He won't kill me. He won't hurt me. He's okay.
Ow!
He's on my shoe now, but I don't care.
You may tell you, if he bites you, it's not my fault. You may tell you why.
Max, those things aren't poisonous. They won't bite me.
You may tell you why he jumps because he's
Let me
radioactive.
get him off.
Radioactive.
You got the poison.
Radioactive.
Ah, he's on my shoe. Ah, get him out. Oh, never mind. He's right there.
Was he really going in his
He's
shoe?
right there.
Was he trying to go? No! He's doing his job.
He's not even dead. He's doing his job.
Was he trying to get?
Y'all him in my shoe?
Was he trying to get in your shoe? Was he trying to get in your shoe?
Can I see my shoe?
Mason, I said, is he trying to
I
get?
don't want to hurt him.
Was he trying to get in your shoe? Well, I don't care. Juicy,
He
get the
doesn't want to
spider.
hurt me anyway. That's the jumping spider.
Juicy, get the spider. Get the spider. That. Oh, he's camouflaged. The camera can't see him. Where did he go?
Eyes are better than lens.
Oh, there he is. He's camouflaged.
Yeah, he's just right there. You can't see him on camera. Camera is, lens, eyes are better than lens.
Oh, she stepped on spider. Oh, that was so close. She didn't step.
He's right there.
Oh, she stepped on it.
Well, Juicy stepped on him.
Oh, never mind. He's still alive.
Get. I don't want to
Go get Clark. Go get Clark.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, he did jump. Oh my gosh. Dude, he's jumping.
Yeah, I don't want to hurt him.
That's a jumping spider.
Where is he? That's a jumping spider. See, he's jumping.
Now, I bet my life. I bet my life. I bet my life. I bet my life. Okay. Really?
Hey, one time a banana spider, a crowd spider jumped on my glasses.
What's scary?
It was scary. I flicked that thing off of it, yeah. And it shot a web, and web was on my glasses.
Did it hurt your glasses?
Josie! It was just weird because it scared me.
Where is he? Juicy, come on. Jazzy, come on, Jazzy. Jazzy, come on. You want to get Juicy? Girl. Let me see it. I got it. I bet my
He's dead now.
Oh, he's not.
I wedged him between that corner. He's dead.
Juicy's not.
He's dead.
He's still alive.
No, he's not. I wedged him in between that. Look.
Juicy, come on. Jazzy, come on.
Max.
Don't
Oh.
Uh-oh. Come here.
Jazzy!
Good girl.
Wow, baby.
I bet my doggies. You. Bye, Mason.